This episode is about Starbucks. You know we had to do it on this powerhouse. We're drinking it right now. One thing I noticed is that Starbucks is slowly turning into a fast food restaurant. Wait, what is that? Watch they actually write Starbucks. That would be insane. What does it say? US. I don't know. You still don't know what the hell that says. For those of you just tuning in, this is episode 34 about Starbucks. My name is Edgar Ray. I'm the founder of StocksBootcamp.com. I'm a stock trader, futures trader, and an options trader. I'm also a hedge fund manager. About 35-40 of you have been following me since the beginning, which are close friends, relatives, and there's more and more subscribers coming in. But I wanted to talk a little bit about Starbucks, how the management has done a phenomenal job at locking in the coffee beans prices fixed for the next 14 months, because next quarter there might be cold temperatures in Brazil, so they want to make sure that they hedge their bets. During the height of the pandemic, 40% drop they saw in their same-store sales, but they quickly recovered as the stock hit $58. And this logo right here is actually two tails. It's a siren. It's a Greek myth of a siren that is supposed to lure sailors into the ocean. So there's a lot of speculations behind that the siren actually represents entrapment and addiction and so forth. But Starbucks beat the last quarter revenue on the top line and bottom line. They brought in $1.01 versus 78 cents expectation of analysts. They're seeing another 20% growth next year, but there's a primary concern of the actual labor inflation that's looming around the corner. Have I told you guys how much I hate August? A lot. Not because of my trading also, that's part of it, but I just hate the heat. I hate the freaking heat. I hate August so much that I don't even talk to Leos, I don't talk to Virgos. Anything that has to do with August, I stay away. That's how serious I am. I know what you're saying, Edgar. You're gonna lose your entire fan base who are Leos and Virgos. I don't give a shit. Let my subscriber go from 80 down to 65. I don't give a shit. It is what it is. Everything raw, no edits. That's how my channel is. Starbucks has $135.7 billion market cap, currently trading at $115 a share or so. They have 32,660 stores worldwide in 83 countries, out of which 18,354 stores are in Western Hemisphere, US, Canada, Latin America. This stock is a powerhouse, guys. This is a portfolio stock. I call this the Pablo Escobar of coffee, because it is. It's a legal drug that corporate America cannot do without. And that's what it is. I've talked before about Panera Bread, how the CEO did a great job at locking in prices, the wheat prices, when there was a shortage of wheat. So rest assured that Starbucks keeps a strict control on its costs. However, the balance sheet, I'm going to tell you that It's highly levered. It has about 23 billion in long-term debt, only about 7.3, 7.4 billion in short-term debt. And that's great because you want to see a smaller liability component with shorter-term maturity bonds and notes payable and so forth. So, you want to see long-term debt that the company can service with ease, and that's why the stock is very stable and has a smooth, steady growth. Pandemic was a huge hit that they took, along with another challenge that they had years back when McDonald's, I don't know if you can see McDonald's, decided to enter the coffee business, right? They started introducing McLattes and McFrappes, and then Starbucks was like, oh yeah, well, we're gonna start selling sandwiches. That's what's gonna happen now. It's a great company. If you've never been to Seattle, where it was founded, at the Pike Place Market, you can see how aggressive the Seattle's best and Starbucks competition is. Wherever there's a Starbucks, there's a Seattle's best coffee really close by.